The Honda S2000, a two-seater roadster, made its debut in 1999 and quickly earned a reputation as one of the most engaging and well-balanced sports cars of its era. It was a tribute to Honda's engineering prowess and passion for motorsport, reflecting the brand's dedication to producing cars that deliver precision, handling, and exhilarating performance. The S2000 was designed to celebrate the company's 50th anniversary and was aimed at challenging established sports car brands like Porsche and BMW, offering an alternative that combined reliability with thrilling driving dynamics. Under the hood, the S2000 was powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 engine in its early years, known as the F20C. What set this engine apart was its ability to rev to a staggering 9,000 RPM, which at the time made it one of the highest revving engines in production. The engine's output of 240 horsepower at 8,300 RPM and 153 lp-ft of torque at 7,500 RPM provided an exhilarating driving experience, especially when combined with its lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive layout. This engine was mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, which further added to the raw, driver-featured experience. The S2000's performance was not just about straight-line speed. It was engineered to deliver superior handling on both the street and the track. The car featured a double wishbone suspension at both the front and rear, offering precise control and responsiveness. The car's low center of gravity and perfect 50-50 weight distribution made it incredibly balanced in corners, while its chassis was stiff enough to handle aggressive driving, yet pliable enough for daily use. Its direct and communicative steering allowed drivers to feel every nuance of the road, enhancing the overall driving experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of the S2000 was its high revving nature. Unlike many modern cars that prioritize torque and lower RPM ranges for better drivability, the S2000 demanded attention and involvement from its driver. Revving the engine to its peak output was a thrilling experience that required skill and precision. The car's engine management system, combined with a near-perfect 6-speed gearbox, provided seamless power delivery and rapid shifts, allowing for a harmonious connection between the driver and the car. The S2000 also stood out for its design. Its sharp lines, wide stance, and purposeful look made it a striking presence on the road. It was minimalist in its approach, with a focus on performance rather than luxury. The interior was stripped back, featuring essential elements like a digital tachometer that went up to 100,000 RPM, a racing-inspired cockpit, and a simple yet functional layout. The low-slung seats and tight cabin emphasized the car's focus on driving, ensuring the driver was always in control and connected to the road. Despite its strengths, the S2000 was not without its challenges. The high revving nature of the engine meant that daily driving could sometimes be less forgiving, especially in urban environments. Its stiff suspension and low ride height made it less practical for rough or uneven roads, and its cabin, while stylish, could feel cramped for taller drivers. The car's lack of significant low-end torque also meant that it required higher revs to unleash its full potential, which could be intimidating for inexperienced drivers. However, for those who appreciated precision and raw driving engagement, these characteristics only enhanced the thrill of ownership. The S2000 went through several updates during its production run, including the introduction of a 2.2-liter engine in 2004, known as the F22C. This version offered a bit more torque, making the car easier to drive at lower RPMs, while retaining its high revving character. Despite these updates, the essence of the car remained the same, focusing on delivering an unparalleled driving experience. The S2000 also featured an advanced electronic stability control system, which helped keep the car in check during spirited driving without detracting from the overall driving experience. Production of the S2000 ended in 2009, leaving behind a legacy as one of the best driver's cars of its time. Its unique blend of high-revving engine performance, sharp handling, and minimalist design made it an icon in the automotive world. The S2000 continues to enjoy a devoted following with enthusiastic drivers of all ages. It remains a shining example of Honda's commitment to creating cars that prioritize driving pleasure above all else. For those lucky enough to experience one, the S2000 remains a reminder of what true driver-focused engineering can achieve.